Hi friends, in the last session we have learned about the date function. In this session we are going to learn about the text functions. What all the text function is available which we are going to see now. The first text function is the len. What is the purpose of len function? Equal to len. The moment when you enter the len, it shows what is the purpose of the len function. What is the purpose of the len function? That returns the number of characters in a text string. That means in the particular cell, how many characters are there? It will give the output. So len open bracket. What is the text? We are giving the reference of B3 and close bracket. So once you are done, it shows 14 characters are available in this particular cell. The 14 characters means the including the double space. If I remove the double space, the numbers of characters it is getting changed, which means the len function is also considering the space also is a one character. Okay, so that is the purpose of the len function. Okay, now next function is trim function. What is the trim function? Equal trim. The moment when you put the trim, it shows remove all the spaces from a text string except for a single space between the words. For example, now we have given a word Excel, the number of spaces, again formula, number of spaces and number of spaces techniques. Now we are going to use through using the trim formula, we are going to remove the unwanted space, which means we are going to keep only single space of each word. So trim open bracket selects the particular text and close it. Okay, now if you see here the Excel, the all unwanted spaces are removed and only single spaces are kept, and formula removed all unwanted spaces keeping a one for one space, and again removed unwanted space, and the techniques you are getting the answer. Okay, this sometime you may ask, instead of entering in between the cell, can we put in the same cell? Yeah, we can put. How we can put is equal trim open bracket. uh, Friends, please remember, if you want to give any text within the function, so you have to always keep in the double quote, which means the open bracket double quote, what the text you want to enter, you please enter your text and close the double quote, close the bracket. So what is happening here, inside in the formula for you can check, there are unwanted space. After the using the trim formula, the all unwanted spaces are removed and you will get the proper the word method. Okay, next function what we are going to see is a replace. What is the replace? You want to, if you want to replace in particular character, and then you can use the replace function. Okay, replace. Okay, the moment when you get the replace, see here it is showing the places part of a text string with a different text string, which means we can replace the word in place of the another word. So tab open bracket. Now what is the old text? Where it is the old text? It is in a B10. So comma, start from number, from which number we want. For example, we'll start from 1 to, okay, we'll start from 1. How many letters we are going to change? 5 letters, which means the entire Excel we are going to remove, and we are going to change the text is GOOD. So friends, I have already told you, so any text you want to give within the function, you always used to give in a double quote. Okay, now if you enter, see now instead of Excel training, now it is changed to good training. So this way also you can do it, and another way you can copy this Excel and select the particular cell, control F, paste it in the find and replace with GOOD and replace. So this way also you can change the replace. So the replace can be done in some two way. One is using the function formula, and another way is control F find and replace method. Okay, now we are going to see the next function, which is called lower. What is the use of the lower function? You can change the entire word in the lower case. So equal lower. Okay, I already told you the moment when you enter lower, what is the output is going to give? Converts all the letters into a text string to the lower case. So lower tab, select the particular cell reference, select the particular cell reference, close bracket. So you will get the all the text in the small lower case. Okay, the same way if you want to make all the letter in uppercase, equal UPP. Okay, upper you enter, it is showing here the what is the output going to come. They convert the text string to all upper cases letter. Okay, so it will refer the text UPPER. Okay, upper tab, refer the cell, close bracket. So you will get all the letters in the uppercase. Okay. Now we are going to do the proper. What is the use of proper function? The proper function will give you all the first word in the capital letter. That is the proper function. So equal proper. Okay, see the converts the text string in a proper case. The first letters of each word in the uppercase and all other letters to the lower case. So what you'll get? If the Excel formula and techniques, we will get E in capital, F in capital letter, A in capital letter, and techniques is a capital letter. So proper tab, select the reference, close bracket, enter. So see here, you will get all the first letter in capital and all subsequent letters of the word is small. At the same way, in another word, the first letter is capital, all other letters are the lowercase. Okay. Now, the next function what we are going to learn is left function. What is a left function? As I told you, you can just click left, open. Now what is the return is going to give? The return of specified number of characters from the start of the text string. That means open bracket, left tab. So what is the text which you are going to refer in the cell B15, comma, how many letters you want? How many letters we want? If we want 4 letters, what will happen from left side? It like sales. Now, if you want only 4 letter, you will get SALE 4 letter, right? Say for example, you want 5 letters. What we can give? Equal left open bracket, select this text reference cell, comma 5 close bracket. So you will get 5 letters. So you want to do it all the other cells, you can just simply drag it and comes to end, you will get all other cells. Okay. In the same way, the another functions is there which is called right function. What is the right function? Is similar to the left function. In left function, the letters will start from the left side. At the right function, it will start from the right side. So equal RIGHT right. What it is giving? What is going to give the output? The returns the specified numbers of the characters from the end of the text string. So open bracket, select the reference, comma, from left side to 4 digit. That means 2020 we want. So what we can give? 4 letter, close the bracket. Sorry, 4 letter. If we want to have a 5 letters also, you can give how? Equal RIGHT, right, open bracket, select the particular cell, comma, 5, close bracket. So what will happen now? Here we are given a right function, given a 4 letter, so only we got 2020. Here we gave right function using 5 digit, so we are getting hyphen 2020. If you want 6 letter, RIGHT right, open bracket, select this particular cell reference, comma 6. What will happen? 6 letters means 2024 letter, hyphen 5th letter, E is the 6th letter. So like that, even if you want 7 letter, you can simply edit and give 7. So you will get 7 letters. So now we saw left function, right function. Now we are going to see the mid function. Okay. What is the mid function? See, left function, we have taken only left side of the text. Right function, we can get only number of digit from the right side. The mid function, in between the word you want, say for example here you want les and hyphen 20, what we can do is equal mid function. Okay, so it is giving the output. What it is going to give, return the characters from the middle of the text string, comma, given a string, the position and the length. So open bracket, select this text from how many numbers we want. So les, so that means from third letter, from third letter to how many letters we want, 6 letters we want, so 6 letter, so comma, close bracket. Okay, so les 2020. Seven. Now you want from second letter to fourth letter, that means ra hyphen 2. What we can do, equal mid, open bracket. First we have to select the text. So text, where in which cell the text, this text in the E16, comma, from what number of text we have to, what number of character we have to start, from the second character. So second character means from, we have to start from R. Okay, then how many numbers we want, so ra hyphen 2, so 4 letters we want. Okay, if you close you will get ra hyphen 2. Okay, in the same way now we want entire NCE, only NCE we want, that means before the hyphen. So what n is how many letters, so now what we should use is made, open bracket, select the text. So now we have to count now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so seventh letter is E. So from 7 comma 3 digits, close bracket, so E hyphen 2, E2 you are getting. So like this you can do it, how many letters you want, you want 5 letters, you can make it 5 letters. Okay, now next function which you are going to see, the date in the day, how you can do the day in the month. For example here, what day you want to change, how you will change, simply you can give the reference here and you can do the right click of the particular cell, go to the format. Okay, select the customs, put dddd. Okay, if you select like this then you will get the date. If you want month, what you can do, month, format cells, go here, if you put, you will get month. In this session we learn about the len function, lower function, upper function, trim function, replace function, proper function, and mid function, left function, right function, and the text functions. Okay, that's all friends. We'll see in the next session. Thank you.